Learning online courses review. Watch before using. Most people think all online courses are the same, but you won't believe what happens next when quality meets structure. Learning platforms offer digital courses in business, tech, marketing, languages, and personal development. The surprising truth is that well-structured online courses can increase skill retention and career advancement. Most people get this wrong. They buy courses but never finish them. The best platforms provide progress tracking, certificates, and lifetime access. The surprising truth is that learning works best with structure. Subscribe for more honest learning platform reviews that grow your career.